Hi, welcome back, my dear student. This is Edwin from the future. And I know many of you are not going to go and finish this whole course. You're just going to learn what you need to learn, and then you're going to go ahead and try to launch this project online. I want you to know something before you launch this project online. You need to scape your data. You need to test against MySQL injection. And we talk about this, I believe right now is on lecture 235 in the course. It's called More Security URL MySQL Injection Protection. All right, that's the lecture. It might be a little bit more further if I keep adding lectures, but just look for More Security section and you're going to find that I talk about SQL injection in this course. Now, when I first built this course was very small. So we didn't discuss too much about escaping every value. What I wanted to do was show you everything about PHP and then apply it to a practical project. So we did that. But now, because the project got so huge and we didn't talk about SQL injection, there's a lot of people launching this project online when this project was not meant to be online. All right, so before you go online, we're going to build this function that is going to escape all the data in our project. That way we are safe from SQL injection, from people trying to hack into our application and erase our information. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. It's going to be a very simple function. You're going to see. We're going to call it escape. All right. So let's do that. And we're going to pass in a string like this. And we're going to use a built-in predefined function from PHP, MySQLi real, all right, escape string. And we're going to use this so that way we can escape the data, all right? And then we can pass in the string here. But what we're going to do with this is that we can trim the string. We can use this function trim it. Or we can strip the tags out of it if it has some type of HTML. But we're going to leave it like this, trim it. All right, that should be enough. You can, of course, do this. Strip tags. All right, if you want. If that doesn't work out for you, just try the trim. All right, so it should be something like this. And then we're just going to return it like this. All right, and then of course we need a global connection there to get access to our let me see, we get access to our connection. Yep, that's what we need right here. So now every time we need to put a we need to insert a query or go into the database, for example, let's say right here, all right, you use this function like this, all right, and you escape your title. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to do this so that way it doesn't mess around with HTML tags. I'm going to take this trim tags out. All right, we're just going to trim the data. That's it. All right. So every time you want to clean this before it goes into the database, you add this functionality there. Escape. This function. There we go. And you escape all your data down here that's coming from the form. And you do this to your user. All right, anywhere you have a database, even right here, all right, you escape this. All right, make sure that everywhere you have information that's going inside the database, that you escape your data with that function. That way you are safe from MySQL injection. You see that everywhere we have queries. All right, especially right here in view or post. All right, we're going to the database many times. Make sure those boxes are clean. All right, right here, post data, clean them up, and you should be good to go online. All right, right here as well. Okay, I'm gonna be doing this to the final project files, but you should be taking care of this yourself before you go online. All right, so that way your hackers cannot get into your account and delete the data. All right, thank you so much for watching this, and hopefully this will help some of you out there before launching this thing online. Take care.